This 2023 Nissan Rogue is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Nissan is powered by front-wheel drive, manual transmission, intercooled turbo-regular unleaded i3 1.5 L91 engine, and has 47,027 miles. Discover adventure in a pre-owned 2023 Nissan Rogue. Style, space, and savings await you. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.